Today, we've got some fascinating news to share. A recent study published in the journal Biomedicine suggests that exercise not only shapes our physical health, but also influences our gut microbiota. This intriguing research adds another layer to our understanding of how our lifestyle choices, specifically our physical activity levels, can impact our health in novel ways. So, we're about to take a deep dive into these findings and explore how exercise might be shaping the tiny world within us. Stick around as we break down the findings and discuss the significant impact of physical activity on our gut health. Before we dive into the study, let's set the stage. We already know that regular exercise lowers the risk of various health issues like type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and even mental health conditions such as depression. These benefits are well documented and widely accepted, but what if we told you that there's more to the story? Here's where it gets interesting. Physical activity isn't just about building muscle or burning calories, it's about promoting optimal health, right down to our very core, our gut. Yes, you heard it right. Your workout routine might be shaping your gut microbiome, that complex community of microbes living in your digestive tract. These microbes are not just passive residents, they're active contributors to our health, influencing everything from digestion to immunity and even mental health. And now, emerging research suggests that our physical activity levels might be influencing these microscopic good guys. But here's the twist. Recent studies suggest that exercise might also impact our health through changes in the gut microbiome. Now let's dive into the study. A team of scientists used data from a cardiopulmonary bioimage study in Sweden to investigate the association between physical activity levels and changes in the gut microbiome. Instead of relying on self-reported activity levels, which can often be subjective and inaccurate, they turned to technology. Participants wore hip-mounted accelerometers for an entire week, offering a more precise measure of their physical activity. However, the study didn't stop there. To gain a more holistic view of each participant's health, the research team also administered detailed health questionnaires and carried out thorough physical examinations, but the most compelling part of the study was the collection of fecal samples, which were analyzed to reveal the composition of each individual's gut microbiome. This approach, combining physical activity data with gut microbiome analysis, offered an unprecedentedly comprehensive view of the relationship between exercise and our internal microbial buddies. The findings, well, you'll have to stick around for that. So what did they find? The results are intriguing. The study showed a clear association between sedentary habits or very low physical activity levels and the abundance of certain gut microbe species. Let's break it down. The abundance of Escherichia coli, E. coli, was higher in sedentary individuals, while moderate exercise was linked to lower E. coli abundance. It's not just about E. coli, however. The study also found that butyrate-producing bacteria, like those from the Roseburia genus, were more abundant in individuals with moderate and vigorous physical activity levels. But the differences don't stop there. The study found variations in the abundance of specific species, such as Prevotella copri, between those with moderate and vigorous physical activity levels. It seems our physical activity levels don't just influence the presence of certain microbes, but also the balance between them. And here's another interesting finding. The functional potential of the gut microbiome also differed with varying physical activity levels. Moderate exercise was associated with higher acetate and butyrate synthesis, two short-chain fatty acids that play a key role in our gut health. Vigorous exercise, on the other hand, was linked to higher propionate synthesis, another important short-chain fatty acid. But sedentary activity levels showed a lower capacity for carbohydrate degradation by the gut microbiota, reminding us again of the importance of staying active for our gut health. To sum it up, this study emphasizes that our physical activity levels strongly influence the abundance and diversity of our gut microbiota. It's not just about how we feel or look physically, but also about how our internal microbial community responds to our lifestyle. The findings show that being sedentary or having very low physical activity levels can increase the abundance of certain gut microbes, like E. coli. On the other hand, moderate or vigorous physical activity can lead to a different microbial profile, with an increase in beneficial butyrate-producing bacteria, for instance. The effects of exercise extend to the functional potential of the gut microbiota, with different activity levels influencing the synthesis of vital short-chain fatty acids like acetate, butyrate, and propionate. So every step we take, every move we make counts. Sedentary habits and higher levels of physical activity exhibit converse associations with the gut microbiota, underscoring the significant role of exercise in our overall health. All right, folks, that's it for today's deep dive into the fascinating world of exercise and gut health. We hope you found this information as useful and enlightening as we did. Remember, staying active is not just about looking good or losing those extra pounds, it's about feeling good from the inside out. Our gut health is a critical aspect of our well-being, and exercise plays a significant role in maintaining a healthy gut microbiota. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep up to date with the latest findings in health and wellness, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join our community and be the first to know about new videos that will help you better understand your body and how to keep it in top shape. Thanks for watching, everyone. And remember, your health is your wealth. Stay active, stay healthy, and keep moving for a healthier gut.